Let's take a look at how to run a site audit using the Semrush tool. Now, I'll leave a link down below where you can get signed up for a free trial if you don't already have a Semrush account. You can get signed up for free, try all this different stuff out. Then, of course, if you like it, you can continue with it. That being said, once you're in your account, you're going to go over to this SEO tab first, and then under On Page and Tech SEO, you will see a site audit option. When you click on that, yours might be blank, but it's going to require that you create a project. That's going to be the first step. You can see I've already created one here. Now, it does take some time, so I'm not necessarily going to just create a new one and show you that whole process. But to create one, looks like I already have too many set up here, but I can set one up with Best Buy. It's already a project that's kind of just like an example project that I use for all sorts of different things. But it's going to give you a bunch of different options here. Really, it's just a matter of determining what you feel is best based on like the number of pages that you have on your website. You might have a massive, like if we were going to do Best Buy, we probably need to do like as many pages as possible, which without having to upgrade is going to be 20,000 pages. Check the schedule. Hey, I just want it to happen every Monday. I don't need an email. Or maybe I do want an email, right? It's really up to you. You can choose the site bot. Definitely want to use a mobile first crawler. You can add and disallow pages if you don't want it to check certain things, etc. And then you just click Start Audit. It's going to take it, again, some time for it to create this audit. And then once it's done, you're going to have a full breakdown of the technical SEO issues on your website. This is kind of like an on-site technical SEO audit, if you will. We can see errors, warnings, notices. Now, I'm not necessarily going to go through all of these in this video because there's thousands of different types of errors that can occur and that may need to be fixed. Of course, you can look up each of those individually, but I'll just kind of give you an overview so we can come through here and look at a breakdown of all the different issues. Now they're starting to integrate some AI in here as well, and it's pretty straightforward. You start with the errors, then work on the warnings, then the notices. So you kind of start with the most critical and work your way through. That's what I find works best. And as you're resolving these, you should notice that when it does a new scan, those issues disappear, right? I've got some crawled pages here, just kind of giving us an overview of all the different pages on our site. We can check to see if it's actually indexed and crawled every page on the site. Look at some statistics, and this is really just a breakdown to help us determine, how progress is going with our efforts here. We can compare different crawls, look at the progress over time. So as we're knocking out these different issues, we should be able to see this improve. The total number of issues should be decreasing. Looks like we need to upgrade in order to utilize that feature. Those are sort of like the high-level components of the site audit for Semrush. If you're interested, leave a comment down below and let me know. I can make an additional videos going through more of these components, but I feel like that would be either a whole video into itself or multiple different videos for different things that you guys might want to see. So feel free to drop those down in the comments below, and I'll be sure to get back to you there.
If you're like most new business owners, you're probably struggling to get your online presence established, let alone get it to the point where it's bringing you a consistent flow of customers, right? So that's why I created this free course where I actually walk you step by step through the whole process of setting up your online presence. This is the same process we've been using for our clients for over a decade at one of my agencies. And essentially, I'm going to show you how to set up an SEO-friendly business name right from the get-go, how to develop your website really quickly and easily, how to set up your Google Maps listing, start getting some Google reviews, everything you need in order to have a substantial online presence where people can actually start finding you and purchasing your products or services. The best part is I'm going to show you how to do it in under a couple of hours and all for less than $50. If you're interested, I'll leave a link below where you can get signed up today. Make sure to check this course out for free right now because I'm probably going to start charging for this at some point in the future. All right, I'll see you on the other side.